In this video, I'm going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing with no money. This is the best way to make money online in 2021, and you're going to use all the free tools and the free traffic to promote affiliate offers. So I'm going to walk you through entire step by step, so watch the video until the end. And again, if you really like our video, subscribe, like and share, and press the like button on the bottom of the video. You have to go to this website. I put the link in the description and check out why the video content is important rather than articles. People like watching videos rather than articles. That's why TikTok is famous. So if you can create a short, a simple video and with all the contents that you can provide for your customer, if they're interested in the content, they will buy your affiliate product. So you need to provide value in the form of video. So I'm going to walk you through how you can find these offers, or how you can create this video for free. And also I'm going to show you my tools and everything in this video, so check it out. First, you go to ClickBank, Digistore, or Max Bounty, wherever you can join as affiliate and find an affiliate product that you want to promote. Always go with health and fitness, business and technology, because those products tend to sell better than other products. On the health and fitness, there are a variety of products that you can promote. For this video sake, I'm going to promote this offer about diabetics. So I open this offer here, as you can see from here. This is the offer. So when you want to promote your affiliate offers, first open the affiliate offer. See, the landing page is good and nice and simple. Otherwise, people don't care, because if the landing page is like a spammy, they're never going to be interested on it. They're never going to watch or never going to learn about that. So you lose those customers. So you first look at the landing page. If it could and look like a modern and simple, then you can go on with that affiliate product. So okay, so I open that landing page and see it's confirmed that it's good product to promote. Now I open the affiliate page from that offer. You can see from here, most of the affiliate product have an affiliate page, but in this case, this affiliate page doesn't have any articles or video to promote. Only they have email swipes to promote that. So I'm going to show you how you can create a simple video for these affiliate offers. So first, you need to understand what this product about. It's about diabetic, right? So go to Google and search for that affiliate product that you want to promote. In this case, I'm promoting diabetic, so I am searching about how to prevent diabetes. There's a bunch of articles open on Google. What you can do, open a couple of those websites. So I open this website. So I want to use this information in my videos. So you can do it in two ways. You can make a video. You can summarize these entire articles and you can make a video out of it. But video is, you can make it within a couple of seconds. I'm going to show you how. But for the content, you can modify this content, or if we can't write this content, basically what you have to do, copy that entire content here. But after you copy that, go to this website. It's called Spinboard. Spinboard.com, where you're going to paste these articles. It will rewrite important part of the articles in here. So you can see, if you go to the title, it said diabetic prevention, 5 tips for taking control. If you come down the bottom, you can see diabetic counteraction, 5 hints for taking control. So you change it a little bit so you can use it without any issue. Now after you did that, what you have to do, copy this article. To me, I'm using this website called Bitnami to make my videos. It's a paid tool, but I'm going to show you why you can get this for free, or an alternative way that you can make video. So you can see I use Bitnami. Basically, I can select the template that I want. I upload that script and it will automatically add voice, and I downloaded the video already. So you can see it from here. You can see if you click the scene, the automatic videos and images and videos is added for my scene here, and as you can see, scene and videos automatically added. If you click the voice of automatically added for you, then you can download that videos. Again, if you want to get the Bitnami, there's a link in my description. You can get 14-day free trial, and if you want to upgrade that, you can get 25% off for life using my affiliate link in the description. But if you can't afford this, there's an alternative way that you can make your entire videos. The first, what you have to do when you copy that, when you made your script, or you when you use a spin portal, change that script, copy that, go to this website called Clipchamp, which I already made a review where you can copy and paste this. It's similar to Vietnamese, but we are not going to make video out of it. You can copy and paste and to make voiceover. And this website gonna change your text into speech, and you can download that in the video format. Then you can extract the voice. This is completely free for that. Again, if you want to create a video from this website, again for free, they allow you to download in the 480p in pixel, which is low quality, and they also add watermarks. So only use this website to get your voice from this website, so it will turn your text into speech. Again guys, if you want you to make a file website where you can do the text to speech to software, use it for free, let me know in the comment section. On the next video I can make that video about 5 text to speech free tools. You can use it today. Again, after you convert your text into speech, go to this website called Pixel, where you can get your royalty free videos. Then you can combine together to make videos. Again, so this part for the first part is done, where you find your affiliate or product. Then you find your affiliate articles, you convert that or change the affiliate articles, and now you already made a video out of it. And this second part, I'm going to show you how you can upload for free and you can make money from these free traffic source. So again, before that, like the button on the bottom of the video. So first website I always use is called Ramble, and there's a review I made yesterday. I put the card on the top of the video, also in the end screen, so go and check it out. Ramble is an alternative to YouTube where you can upload video, earn money from Ramble. At the same time, you can use it for affiliate marketing. So this is the website that you can see people are uploading random videos here, and I'm going to upload the video. So you have to click this one, upload sign, and you can upload that video here. This is the video I already downloaded here. Upload that. Then you're gonna copy and paste the entire title and description, which is you already made it, already changed it on here. I'm gonna copy that, paste it on here, and this is your title. Paste it on here. Here you're gonna include here, because I already made a video, so that's why it's showing like that. But remember that I'm gonna paste the title, and here you're gonna include your affiliate link. So go to your ClickBank, get your affiliate link. So click this one, promote, and get your affiliate link. And basically you're gonna type learn more about that product that you are promoting, basic sentence, and you're gonna go to this website where you can shorten your affiliate link. It's called short URL. You can use any website that you are shortening your URLs. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to put that on the description after your title here, so people can see it. Then you can see automatically select the thumbnail you want, and you can select the channel that you want to upload and click upload here, and it will take you to this page. And if you click any of these section, 3 of them, then you can make money. If you want to learn more about that, go and check it out on my previous video, and you can click this one, so you can earn money from this website, YouTube, and wherever they place your video from it. Again, if you come down to bottom here, you can say additional syndication, expand that, where you can this video, if you have a YouTube channel, Ramble automatically publish your video on YouTube and your Facebook page and Daily Motions, because you have to link that website with Ramble. So you have to link your YouTube, Facebook, and Daily Motion. I already made a review on the last video. You can check it out over there. So this video automatically published on the other side with your description, with your affiliate link inside it. So I can show you, for example, I already made a video here. This is the video I already published, same video. You can see I published that. This is my affiliate link here inside there. That you can see the video that you uploaded on the Ramble automatically published on Facebook. And for the Daily Motion, it's going to take a while, but it will be there in a couple of minutes, guys. So the first website you're going to use is Ramble to publish your affiliate video here. And now what you're going to happen is you can make money from Ramble. So when the ad is played, or when they share your video with other website, third-party website or YouTube, you can earn ad commission from that. At the same time, when they click the affiliate link and buy that product, you're going to make affiliate commission from that. Now what you can do, go to Facebook page and search for the product that you want to promote. In this case, diabetic, I searched that. So there's a couple of pages and group there I can join. For you, you can search for your particular niche on Facebook and find the Facebook group and pages. open a couple of them. What you're going to do, you can't share your direct affiliate link because Facebook will block that. All you have to do after you join, share this link. Basically, if you go to here, share this link. This is the link, so you can say learn more about this product and put your video link. You will try the traffic from Facebook to your sample video here. From that, people can watch the video, they can click your affiliate link. You can do the same thing with Facebook, Twitter, and Quora. So this is how you're gonna do if you want to make money from affiliate marketing. This is one of the best way to start without any money, using all the free tools and free traffic. I hope you understand this video, guys. If you really like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Until then, see you next video, guys.